Hello. So today we're going to go over 3 problems. I'm going to show you how you can use these problems that you'll see on your final or your module exam and how you can type these into Desmos to get the answer. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one says use the elimination method to find the solution to the following system of equations. So you have these 2 equations right here, and it wants you to use the elimination method, but we're not going to use that method. We're instead going to use Desmos to figure out the answer. So I went ahead and already typed this in. So pause the video, type it in yourself. You'll see you get these 2, this black one and this red one. And the question again, it was asking us to find the solution. So the solution to functions, when you're plugging into Desmos, is going to be the point where they intersect at. So here are the different options, or if they don't intersect at all, there's no solution. So let's go back to here. We see that they do intersect, right? So we know for sure there's going to be a solution. Is there one solution or 2 solutions? So there's going to be 2 solutions because I see here that it intersects twice at this point and this point. And one point is 0, 2. The other one is -2, -2. And if we go back here, we see that answer right here, 0, 2, and -2, -2. So that's how you can use Desmos to get the answer for this one. Let's go to the second one now. It says, what type of function is shown in the table of values? So we have exponential, quadratic, linear, or none. So what we're going to do first, we're going to type in this table into Desmos. So let's go to Desmos. To do a table, you hit the plus sign, you hit table, and we're going to plug in our X values first from the question, which are these. So again, pause the video and make sure you're following along and typing these in as well. 9, 1, 1, 9, 25. So remember, to be able to see exponential, quadratic, and linear, I got to click this line with 4 dots and it brings up here. It always will say linear first, but we're going to have to try all of them to see which makes the most sense. So I see our dots here. These red dots are the ones we had clicked. So right now we see it's on linear. Does linear make sense with our dots from our table? No, right? So let's go ahead and try exponential. That was another one. Does exponential make sense with our dots here? Not really, right? Because it looks like they're not really lining up as well either. So the last one is quadratic. And we see here, now this one, they line up exactly, right? So quadratic is the answer to our problem here. If that doesn't make sense at all, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. As always, don't forget when you do questions like this, type in your name below like this, screenshot your work and the graph and upload that as your answer. And sorry, one more question here that we're going to work through. Let me see if this one is a part of it. Yep. Okay, so one more, sorry. One more to the video. We're going to go over this one really, really quick. And then we'll end this video. So this one says, which function changes at the fastest rate as the value of X increases? So I went ahead, typed them all in here, and we're trying to see which one of these changes at the fastest rate. So when we're looking at the steepness of a line, the fastest rate will be like the steeper line, the one that goes up the quickest from left to right. So looking at that, I'm going to take a screenshot of this. We're going to move it over to kind of get an idea of how I'm going to explain this. So you can visually see this from Desmos. So I am going to clear out this left side, which if you watch the video, you'll kind of see that. So I clear out the left side. So we're just going to look at this right side here. So if we're looking at the right side, is the green, black, blue, or purple the steepest line? The green, right? Because it goes up the fastest from left to right. So we know that the green line is the fastest. From left to right, it's the steepest. So if we go, so sorry, I was sharing the wrong tab. So you can get a better idea here what I was just talking about. I shaded that left side, and you can see here, left to right, the green is the steepest, right? So green is the right answer. So we go back, we see green is 2x squared. So that one is our correct answer. And that's how you can use Desmos to get a visual of which function changes the fastest.